Hello my friends. Today lesson 10 HTML quotation is our new chapter. Let's come to our chapter HTML quotation. The topics are included in this chapter: Q, Blockquote, Abbreviation, Address, Cite and Video. We learn them very close details. HTML Q for short quotation. The HTML Q element defines a short quotation. Remember, browsers usually insert quotation marks around the Q element. Let's come to our example. I have already a format of my coding. I want to save first my document at desktop by title quotation. Save. Everything is fine. Here is some error. Okay, I will tell you. I have file, save, and I want to open this one. Nothing is here. Why? Because all the elements with content are blue. Nothing is black. For what? For why? Because of inserted comma. Inserted comma is quotation. Okay, now let's come to our quotation. The sign Q, and close your Q short quotation, save your page and refresh. The code inside automatically two inserted commas are appeared and define your word. You can use by yourself where you require. It's depend on you, but Q worked for this sign. Let's come to our next. Let's come to our next blockquote. Blockquote. The HTML blockquote element defines a section that is quoted from an other source. Browsers usually intend blockquote elements. Let's come how it works. Before this, we write our paragraph. What should go? We write Safi is an effective blood purifying. Okay, herbal medicine which has replaced the old purgation. Okay, let's come for blockquote. Close your blockquote. Save your page and refresh again. Now this one is your blockquote. Automatically it takes a break from your paragraph without giving a paragraph BR, without giving a BR section. It takes automatically a blockquote. Fine, just like you can give cut I have cut the block quote and use block quote here, and before the content, and control save. It looks like a beautiful now. The cones inside is YouTube channel, and it's come to the little center of the document. You have more idea when you saw a page where something is written by the left hand side starting of the line and something is center of the page. Okay, fine. HTML abbreviation for abbreviations. The HTML abbreviation element defines an abbreviation. Marking abbreviation can give useful information to browsers, translation systems and search engine. Let's come how it works. BLD. Okay, if I want to give the abbreviation blood, P paragraph. Okay, let's start new paragraph. Maybe it confuse you. Okay, the hypertext markup language this one is description abbreviation. Abbr is equals to title. No, now it's inserted comma. This inserted comma used for coding, but Q for quotation used for browser where the quotation will display itself. Okay, close this line and this thing. Now give the HTML, fine, and close your tag, close your P, save. Let's see what's happened. Now the HTML has been appeared. The HTML has been appeared. How it works, you finally know. Now let's come to our next element, address element. Sometimes you saw address at the photo section of website. Address, how it works. Let's come to the another line address. Okay, written by Code Insider BI break. HTML quotation BR. Visit us on YouTube. This is for only example. Our website, contact us. Okay, now save your page by closing this tag. Save and refresh your page. The address pin has been appeared. Our address has been appeared now it here, but question is there, why the block code elements content is here and the address content is also here, and site content, so to say site content, this one is here already I have written. Why? Because of I have forgotten the block code closing correctly. Control save. Now the block code take its sites and address will go to the left hand side. Now let's come to the site element. Site element, actually the HTML site element defines the title of work. Browser usually displays site element in italic. So sometime you can see at the Wikipedia some images of medicine are there, and below the images the words are put it that this medicine is discovered by John, and the word John was in italic form. The actually work of site for the main purpose, like denoting a name or something at the particular place you can use, and it where you want use, it's depend on you. So site element tag works like this. But take a visit, why all the elements are in italic form? Because of I have put them before the closing tag of address. Remove the section, and let's come to the after the address section and paste. Control save and refresh page. Now the only herbal medicine is in italic form. You can increase the size by giving the style attributes. Style attributes I already told you how they work. Okay, now the remaining is BDO, DIR BDO. Okay, what is BDO? BDO for bidirectional override. The HTML BDO element defines bidirectional override. Okay, the current text direction, we can change the direction of any text, like here present. Okay, P and bracket BDO. If you want to change the direction of anything, you can change by BDO as direction. For direction, dir is equals to inverted comma right to left. Okay, RTL close tag. Now this close tag here, BDO. Now BDO. Okay, fine. Save your page, refresh the web document page. Where is present? Here. Now the formation has been changed from left to right. Okay, so I hope you understand everything. The video has been increased its size, but I really want you learn more betterly. I have courage to teach you, but for English language purpose the video increase, because of I want to express my knowledge in front of you in the English language, and as well as I also want to enhance my English skill. So thank you. If there any query, any question, please ask us. Thank you so much.